evening, students. Today we are going to start a new chapter, our government. Let's start with a question. What is meant by government? A government is a group of people that have the power to rule a country according to law. Do you know the government of India has three branches or three divisions? They are legislature, executive, and judiciary. So students, here legislature makes the law, executive implement the law, and judiciary interprets the law. Let's see who all are there in each divisions of government. First one, legislature. In legislature, President, Lok Sabha and Raj Sabha are there. Second one, executive. In executive, President, Vice President, Prime Minister, Council of Ministers and bureaucracy. Third one, judiciary. In judiciary, Supreme Court, High Court, District Court, Sub Courts, Municipal Courts and Magistrate Courts. Okay students, so let's see the first division of our government, that is legislature. The legislature in India is known as the parliament. It consists of president, two houses namely Raj Sabha and Lok Sabha. So the Raj Sabha is known as upper house and Lok Sabha is known as lower house. So our legislature is also known as bicameral legislature. Let's see about Rajya Sabha. Rajya Sabha is the upper house of legislature. Rajya Sabha is also known as Council of States. Vice President presides over the section. Here the presides meaning supervise or govern. It is a permanent house. Rajya Sabha has 238 elected members and 12 nominated members. These 12 nominate members are appointed by President of India. Okay, next, let's see about Lok Sabha. Lok Sabha is the lower house of legislature. Lok Sabha is known as House of Representatives. Speaker presides over the section. Members are elected for 5 years. 543 directly elected members by the citizens of India. 2 nominated members. These 2 nominated members were appointed by President of India. Let's see the role of President in Parliament. The President of India is not a member of Parliament. He is considered as an integral part of the Parliament. President of India performs legislative functions like summoning the session of Parliament. Summoning means call the members for meeting. Second one, addressing the joint sittings. And third one, approving the bills passed by the both houses of Parliament. Okay students, let's summarize today's topics. First of all, we have studied what is government. Government is a group of people that have the power to rule a country according to law. Then we have seen 3 divisions of India government. First one, legislature, second one, executive, and third one, judiciary. Then we have studied the first division of our government, that is legislature. In India, legislature is known as parliament. It consists of President, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Rajya Sabha is known as upper house of parliament and Lok Sabha is known as lower house of parliament. At last, we have seen the important role of President in Parliament. Students, hope you that you have understood about the topic legislature. Read your textbook thoroughly and if you have any doubt you can ask. So be happy and safe at your home. See you in the next class. Thank you.